I'll show you where motion graphics templates are saved. When you open the Mogrts tab, you can see all the default Captioneer templates. Click on any of them to preview in the upper section. We can click on the gear in the bottom right to open the Captioneer settings. Captioneer creates a folder on your computer containing all the default Mogrts. We can double-click it to open it in the Finder. The Captioneer Mogrts are grouped by aspect ratio and organized in subfolders. Premiere Pro automatically creates a motion graphics templates directory on your computer called the Local Templates folder. Here are the two locations for the Local Templates folder on Windows and Mac. To add custom Mogrts to Captioneer, we can simply hit Add Folder. I'll browse to a folder I downloaded containing my custom Mogrts. Hit Select Folder, close the settings, and then come back to the Mogrts tab and see that Captioneer has imported everything from that folder. If you don't see them, hit the refresh button and it will reload all your Mogrts. If you're no longer using a folder, hit Remove Folder and Captioneer will no longer import it.